10 countries with the best work-life balance 2024. We bring you the Global Life Work Balance Index by remote. Factors taken into account were statutory annual leave, minimum statutory sick pay percentage, amount of paid maternity leave, and general acceptance of remote work. We start with Brazil at 10, 9, Canada, 8, United Kingdom, 7, Netherlands, 6, Norway, 5, Denmark, 4, Australia, 3, France, 2, Spain, 1, New Zealand.